Listen, man, you don't know, say, DJ April on the mic, and I want to say, big up the whole of the mother, them and the dance, you understand me? If there is a biological mother, if there is an adoptive mother, if there is a godmother, if there is a friend when mother your friend pitney, if there is a family member when mother one of your family member them pitney, if you play a mother role in any pitney life, you may say, man, happy Mother's Day. Big up all of the mother them. Today is Sunday, today is Mother's Day. I want to say happy Sunday, I want to say happy Mother's Day. Big up all of the mother them in the dance. DJ, drop it. For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life. Everywhere you're staring at me. Why are you staring at me? I'm a performer, and you know this. Anyways, look at them, I don't have no time for the antics that people are coming down the road. I'm not tired of me, I disgrace myself. I don't like that. I don't like when I disgrace myself. But on a serious note, it's Sunday, it's Mother's Day. Big up all the mothers them. You understand what I'm saying? I mean, everybody, as long as you see yourself as a mother, somebody sees you as a mother, happy Mother's Day. Yeah, man. My offspring out just stare upon me. I don't know why she looking at me like that. Okay? But look how long you not see me. But I just have to get the Mother's Day thing outside the way. But look how long you not see me. From last week Sunday you not see me. But watch how the sun just hit me right here. So hold on there. Catch liquor. And I think I glow through me and wash my face yet. Okay. Anyways. I tell you I been have a major problem with my storage. But thanks to Raw Soul and somebody else who suggested me back up the photos to Google Photos. Why me never think that I could have just back up the photos to Drive and then delete them off of my phone? Why that never come to me? Like all the time when you hear me a joke and I say me an idiot, but you never realize that me is an idiot for true. Cause why me never know that? But anyways, from when I see me a record and I know so I start out the little storage thing, so we're there and we're good and not better timing. Couldn't be no better timing because today is Sunday, so I know so I'm supposed to put out my little Sunday video, if nothing else. And it's also Mother's Day. So I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna end up doing for today because Mommy at first she wanna tell me for cook because she want she wants steamed fish. Or can I tell you my face now watch, just relax. You not focus on the wrong thing. We are watching Mata in my eye, fan. Yeah man, she just said she want steamed fish and me no remember. But look like she changed her mind. So she said she'll go down a Sharky's, go buy a fish. Look like she just want to go out then. So me I said to her, say one new place open up near Sharky's, you know. If you're familiar with that area, the area, yes. If you're familiar with the area, you know, say one new seafood place open near Sharky's named Starliner. So me I say, well, you know, just go over there so can check out over there so. But me look on them Instagram, I don't love how the menu look and everything. So I don't know if I'm going to end up do that today. I don't know if me I going to end up go because my mind can change like that. You understand me? But I'm glad I pick up the camera so I don't know anything with me I do. Eventually, I gonna show it to Uno, okay? But right now I'm hungry. I'll kick off the morning. I don't know. I'll kick off the morning with little Mother's Day tea and crackers. Guys, I'm gonna close out this video, but I want to say I have a bit of a controversial opinion about Mother's Day, you know. But one thing about me, I never go try to force my opinion upon nobody else. So you see, if you don't want to know what my controversial opinion on it is, drop it in the comments and we will try to make like a short, like a 5-minute video, just to tell you know my difference in opinion or the variance in my opinion when it comes to Mother's Day. But I'll never try and force my opinion on everybody. And you know, I respect everybody's views. You know, it's a free world, we all get to have an opinion. So if you don't want to know, drop it on. As I said, I will tell them. I'm gonna cut out this. I'm gonna attend to my lovely daughter who turned me into a mother. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna make like a tea and crackers and I'm gonna see ask mommy she what she want to eat and so forth. So big up on herself. I'm so calm. Look at my offspring. I can't believe I'm a mother. You know, I'm just so emotional. Look at my baby. She's so beautiful. I can't believe that I had a hand in this. Look at her. Look at her. You know, shout out to my baby because she means the world to me. And without her, I couldn't be a mother, you know. I don't want to get emotional. But I can't help it. Excuse me. Watch ya. I don't know opinion in every language. One little cup of tea and crackers I decided to eat this morning. Can't speak right now, okay? Alright, well, clean the veranda. I say I want back one hoop nose ring. Yeah, I'll clean the veranda, you know. I did plan for wash Irie clothes, but her uncle I wash, so I can't bother. Just two little line there, so I can't bother. I don't know, maybe I end up wash for Irie, I'm not sure. But I know someone will see, but right now I'll clean the veranda. I'm hungry, I don't know some tea and crackers dash away. But I say, my brother come with some, what name again? Burger bread, because what your mother buy some burger meat, so maybe I know about what's so agua. When I see me stand up right here, so I'm not about to clean the veranda till tomorrow because the day gone. But if I go clean the veranda instead, I really want to sleep, so I put Irie to bed, and through Irie go to bed, me say email, sit down and watch Thor. So we don't know what that going right now after 1. I'm tell mommy say we are left 2 o'clock and look at my ad, it no come yet. So I just take up the tripod to say I go record and everything, but I don't even see me catch on my head. I don't know I'm catch on my head. I'm showing you a little piece. I don't know it. But I catch on my head because I need to go start ready. I wake up and she decides she don't want her back per usual. So I have to just make some pasta for her. I just cook like a pasta with some tomato sauce and put like a Parmesan cheese pan it so each round there. I drink with like apple juice. And I drink with apple juice. So I'm left her with her granny. I go ready. So we can left out of here. Damn! But I don't know if I chew my nose, so I go eat the little food or what. I say, come like my belly just a tear out. I know what hungry feel like, but you see that hungry and I really feel, nah, man, I like that. Alright, guess what? I'm going to show you me I catch up my earbud. My phone is dying. Why my phone always dead? That's not right. My phone always dead. So anyways, I'm going to record when I'm on the road, so I don't know something for plug it in. But just know so I catch up my ear and to go look nice when I'm done. Alright, that's all I need for worry about. I soon come back. Alright, I'm ready. I'm not completely ready, but my beard come in. Look here. Irie, what's wrong? Irie's been very good because she need a nap. What's wrong? Need a nap? You see yourself? Is that Irie? Anyways, me telling us say, unless you said the ear not come out bad. Yes, it's Irie. But you don't notice anything different, mommy? The girl near down her body, you know. Listen to me. The near what my sister sent for me come in real handy dandy. Come just near my whole body. Right now the buckle down. Or what's about quarter left in me? Why you fight me? So I'm not ready. I just left some little minor things for last because I'm ready. Miss Irie, mommy gone bed right now. It's after 2. I'm gonna say we are left at 2 o'clock. So this is the time I catch up to me. Yeah. You finished? Done? Are you finished? So I'm ready, Miss Irie. I need to comb her ear. I don't know. I'm probably just put the little one catch up this. Or I don't know. Maybe just rub some more curl cream in there and put one bow on it. I don't know. And then I don't know. I'm gonna see what she gonna wear. So when time is done, we will come back. By the way, I want to give out a little disclaimer. Okay. If after me done ready, here have it. If after me done ready, And I show you know what I have on. If you're watching this video anywhere in the world and this dress looks like it belongs to you and not me, just humble yourself. Just humble yourself. So life goes sometime. Right, Irie? Yeah, man. We have to give and we have to take and we have to borrow and we have to learn. I'm a niece dress. What not gonna do? Not gonna kill me, not gonna fight me. Tisha just relax, cause not even when I wear back that dress. Somebody just borrow it. So I know nothing. Anyway, I'm soon come back, make ready, my baby. Next time when you see me, me supposed to finish ready. Iris supposed to finish ready, and mommy supposed to finish ready. And we're supposed to be leaving where to have Vaseline. So little more. I get to work.
Do you want to wear your could you wear this?
Yeah, mama.
Your
Alright, we're ready. I'm gonna put on some eyelash on, but in the system, I can't Irie. I don't know Irie go on one time she see the eyelash them. I know she go pop them off. I'm not having it. Irie want to sleep. Alright, mommy. She not even make me come out her ear. So, I can't even stop for showing the outfit. I don't know. Me beg mommy try showing it quick. Because if I walk with Irie, she won't be so grumpy. But as long as I stand up, she's all grumpy. I know she'll go drop asleep until I start walking, so I just want to hurry up. Because you know I don't like when baby's thirsty. Oh, man. Oh. Alright, me have a call. Me have to just stop here. So, believe it or not, while ago I asked mommy to record. So, what is it? Asked mommy to record a while ago for sure. No, the little fit them me and Irie. And I said, when I walk come down the road, a man say, look back on the video. Oh, I'm not kissing. I said, in the video, me I telling you, you know, say, I'll AJ record better than mommy. See her come here? And I said, the one hold me check back the video, the whole of mommy finger. All of us in the video are mommy finger. So, I'm not going to see the fit until we reach down there. Understand me? And right now, it is 10 minutes to 4 o'clock. So, we cannot delay, darling. When I reach the taxi stand, but I just stop right as like I see one taxi pass and I can't bother for what the most sun at. You saying hi? Say hi. Irie's not having it. So when time I reach, I pick it back up. Okay, on the can see the Irie pop out one of my earrings. It's not a big thing. Take it out of your mouth. Thank you. We're supposed to do on a sharky's butt. What's wrong? What? I don't know what make Irie won't go her granny. I don't know what she have up her granny for. Yeah. We're supposed to do a sharky's butt and the sister with there to bus stop. Because we're going to sharky's and tell me why. Crowd of people. The hostess are going to tell me says 1.5 wait for your table. And you know I'm not a believer because when I see the amount of people stand up and wait, and when I see the waiting list in front of her, I know it's about 1 3 hour wait. But not wait. You don't know I love my belly and not even free food. I not stand up so long for much less one food. I'm going to pay for no, I can't do it. So I don't know if you remember. But that till on this morning say, with that thing, we have to try the new place, Starliner. But we did end up come out to Sharky's. Boy, I'm sorry, we never stop because that actually closer. And now we end up at go look taxi now for go back down at Starliner because I call them and ask them if them full. Them say no, them have space can hold. So we're going to go down there. We don't go down a milestone because it's closer to Wishpa with them now. But mommy said she don't want to go down a milestone. She go down there. She don't want to go down there again. Lord Jesus. What area club? I said what area club, bro. So Eric out to everybody. Anyways, when time we reach down here, so hopefully we get drive soon because it's after 5 people. Couple of minutes past 5. So when time we reach down here, so we're picking up back up. Alright, you can't see me because of the angle. And the sun over there, so. Oh man, the angle. Oh, you can't see me here, so better. But we reach. You know I can't video long because you hear some music I play in the background and you know I'm afraid of YouTube and them copyright. But I don't know, I'm going to show you the food and everything. Or maybe I show you and just mute it and try to put a little song over it. I don't know yet. Irie, say hi. Say hi. Where you going? Where you going? Don't put your mouth there. Alright, we're waiting on food. I'm going to show the view. They're up on one rooftop, which is so pretty. I'm going to flip the camera showing. Alright, we get fish soup. Then we have conch fritters. I don't even know if you can hear me. I get the conch fritters called 12 try. And mommy get saltfish and they come with this little day. I don't see you come here for feed hungry Airy. Mommy get the same fish soup, hot. So Airy, I want to catch that she already started eating before me. So I'm going to hang up because I don't know about the music. Oh, then just carry my drinks. I want virgin blended fruit punch. Naturally, come here for breastfeed. I just have to pop out my titty and I feed Irene. So we'll probably make sure taste some of this if she wants. The conch fritters, not bad at, and the dip tastes so nice.
You want some?
No, kind of salt. No saltfish with the saltfish fritters. I don't want the people to hear me. Mommy not add no drinks out here when she's coming out. It look nice though. Mr. Mommy, why you never get no drinks? She not get none of me, you know, understand? An area ball for my drinks now, so I have to hang up. My name is Mr. Moy and order fries for Airy. This supposed to taste good with the dip. I'm just buy a piece of pepper and a prayer for my mouth the pan there. Alright, we just done eat main course. And I know so we can't eat more main course appetizer. So we just order entree. The menu we see online is not what them have down here. It look like them just newly open and them not have no menu yet. So them just like tell me what them have available. So out of everything, we just tell them to get more curry goat. Yeah, trouble area again. We just tell them to more curry goat. Mommy order the same thing. We get one next. It's a blended fruit punch. We tell them already. Order one next one because the one they done. And then I don't know if them have no dessert or nothing like that. But I don't know. I go sure now. So that's what I know, man. What I know. Mommy is very disappointed because she wanted fish, but they only have fried fish and brown stew fish. Mommy don't want them. And also, when we look online, they said they did have seafood boy, and that me and Mommy didn't really go buy. So from we come and we yesterday on a seafood boy, we kind of bit. So I have to go with the music. And you can't hear that song we're playing in the background. You never got you. Mommy just asked me, oh, I sing this in a Rising Stars again. 1/3. Who remember them people there? Oh, I bet you remember them people there. Them they do a nice rendition of that song, yeah. The music you put in a little vibe, but I don't want in a don't look, Mommy, don't look. See, we are there, so we wait for the little food. And area get miserable. I have to turn on the flash because I can't see after 7 at night. No. Some of them know wait. I have to come over here so I don't want to come and either breastfeed Irene. We don't see I know my teacher that even going back in my clothes, but she might be a try to fix it. We are waiting for the food, so I don't know. Alright, the food reached. Curry goats and rice and white rice. Mommy get rice and them curry goats. Can't see me, but I just make a little clip of show you what I mean when I say I blend in with the darkness. Watch the only thing you can see in my mouth. I put on like a lip gloss and I eye them. And my teeth, a good thing my teeth white. Jesus. When I reach out, I update, you know. I wonder if you can see me. Well, you can kind of see me a little better. Look here, I'm sorry about the lighting and everything. I have to come tell you, I have to come talk to you. I mean, I have to go wait because I will leave a car pass. I already fast asleep on our granny. Listen to me now. It's so ironic, right? I come out to feel relaxed and everything, and instead I just feel exhausted. You know, so I never like come out with Irie like say me I go eat or something like that. But maybe the fault was mine for come out in the evening time. But thinking about it, but I feel like it wouldn't make much difference because you know say she a baby. And you know say when time she dey home, if she want to go here or there, me just make sure room the place because you know me nah hold her down. So she come here so now she expects to do the same thing. So she want to dip on the floor and she want to draw down everything. She can't get her way now so she start bawl. So you know say right then and there, I can't have a good time. I can't enjoy myself because my focus have to dip on she. Then the next thing now, because of that, like because of The attention for Irie. And look here, I don't like that place then. I tell you that too. But me I wonder if I don't like the place. Or because I couldn't really be in the moment. I try me can't see me, but you don't know. Look here, if anytime I don't see me hang up, I don't know if the taxi come. Because we there start wait for a taxi at 10 minutes to 9 o'clock. No man, I can't see me. Maybe I have to go hang up. You can't see me? Or maybe I have to go turn down the quality. Wait there. Alright, when the quality kind of bad now, but when I turn on the quality, you can see me a little bit better. So yeah, so you see when time the food come in, I show the curry goat and everything. Because we have to watch Irie. Mommy had to take Irie and go one side and me eat, and then me take Irie and go one side and then mommy eat. So right then and there come like so we just come by ourselves. And don't get me wrong, I don't have any problem going out by myself. I do it all the time. But when you go out with somebody and you want a little company, you just feel weird like you're sitting there by yourself just eat your little food. Something. No. Anytime I do not like this, like if it's gonna be this hours, I have to stay home. And you know what the funny thing? I say I now come talk about my baby father upon this, but you know, I got to tell them my business, you know. I want to say shout out to my baby daddy because him did supposed to come and have Irie this weekend, yeah, you know. But because him want me to accommodate him, and I said it's not gonna be convenient for me to accommodate you. You know what I'm saying? Him not get the time off. And me never tell him for coming, so tell me if I not lie that. Me an idiot or a lie, I tell. True me tell him so I can't accommodate him all of a sudden him not get the time off. So I'm not about to force him. So just want to say thank you for that, Irie's daddy. I go and get you one of them mug that was the best dad in the world. Hope you like that. But anyways, Irie aside, the service never good. The service was not good. We have to wait too long for everything. Like, we don't know, so we reach out at some minutes after 5 and now at 2:09. If I'm 9 o'clock already. And a curry goat we order. We know say the curry goat are not done to order. And like a white rice. And the white rice they never just cook. Well, look how that can come look a bit quicker than that. So I don't know. It just me right now I feel overstimulated and I feel really antsy too because Irie no used to a taxi or a gas station go. One taxi come but one in can't hold. Mommy when I sit down. I feel really antsy because guess what? You see, because Irie no used to be out this late. As it touch 6 o'clock, Irie expect for tidy and expect for garbage. So you see, anytime I touch them time, then she start get miserable because she expect her routine for kick in now. So I don't know, say friend, Irie start get miserable, me start get miserable because like my brain just going to overdrive now. Like what me can do for make my baby feel better. So right then and there, right now, it come like my brain tired. You know, say friend, your brain tired, everything tired. So right now, I just want to reach home. She did just drop asleep on her grind like me showing. I just want to reach home. But I don't know if she's going to wake up. I'm just going to wipe her down because she must feel sticky icky like me. Eh? You say, mommy? I don't taxi. Some of them know how to drive. Hey, I want to pray for you, you know. Because I don't know how the drive situation go. Because I don't know say today is Sunday. And to how bad it be, I want to go. I want gas station we sit down because we walk come from down at the restaurant come down and stuff because no light not up there so. And to how bad it be, I want to go in at the gas station, go get a water for drink because I'm thirsty, but I'm afraid as I come one taxi. I'm afraid as I left one taxi come. Because you know, a Sunday, you know the drive system go on Sunday already. So I'm not even go for the water even though I'm thirsty. That was a lot of rambling, but you know I have to come and tell you what I'm going. The bill, was the bill bad? The bill come to 12,000 and change. What we get? I want to see what we get. We get a serving of conch fritters, get a serving of saltfish fritters, we get 2 fish soup. Me get curry goat and white rice. Mommy get curry goat and rice and peas. Me drink 2 blended fruit punch. Mommy drink one strawberry daiquiri and one sorrel beer and a water. You want taxi a blow on it? So why should I blow if I can't pick up nobody? Me go hang up on you because me I get. I don't want to see me so. I don't want to see me so. Me I hang up. So when time I reach on me, pick on up. Alright, we get one taxi. We reach somewhere. Oh my God, my poor baby. I mean, not do her. She asleep, but she just thinks of outside them. I wasn't want to reach on me yard, man. Can't bother. Alright, I reach home. Not even have to do it. I have to hang up on her because I can't even go wake up her if it's tidy her off. Just have to use the go wipes, wipe her off and change her diaper, make she go to bed. Right now, I'm tempted for the bed. I'm not saying no lie, I'm tempted, but like that. Me just brush my teeth and go to my bed. Me no business. Oh. Anyways, I'll end the video, man. I'm tired, bad. I'm tired, bad, but happy Mother's Day again, guys. Big up on yourself. You understand what I'm saying? You're gonna sort out my baby. I don't know if I ever sort out myself. Comment down below. I think my beard. My beard or my beard. Maybe start a pool beard or not to beard. Yeah, man, but more so in the next video.